Hello everyone, I welcome you all for today's video. In this video, we are going to learn the problems on logarithms. So what is the solution of logarithms? To solve any logarithmic function or logarithmic equation, first of all, we need to convert the given logarithmic equation or logarithmic function into exponential form or by using logarithmic identities or laws. Then only we can solve the logarithmic function or logarithmic equation. So from the first point we conclude that to solve logarithmic function or logarithmic equation by using on converting exponential form or by using logarithmic identities or logarithmic laws. This is the main object throughout the solution of the logarithmic function. And coming to the second point, we know, all of you know that logarithm of negative values or negative numbers is not defined. This is the main point, is not defined. Logarithm of negative numbers or negative points is not defined. Okay, so coming to the solutions, coming to the problems. First problem, solve the equation log x plus 1 whole cube base 2 is equal to 4. So now start with the solution here. Log of x plus 1 whole cube with the base 2 is equal to 4 given. Now converting this logarithmic equation into or in either exponential form or by using logarithmic identities. So it is easily converting this logarithmic equation into exponential form. What is the exponential form here? What is the exponential form? Suppose log x with the base b is equal to y, and from that what is the exponential form? B power y is equal to x. This is the exponential form of the logarithmic function. So given problem is in this form, and we must convert the given problem into logarithmic form or exponential form. So here base is 2, function is log of x plus 1 whole power cube, means this is the argument, all of you know. So now write in exponential form. 2 power 4 is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. This is the exponential form. Now we are going to solve. Implies 2 power 4 is equal to, what is the 2 power 4? 2 power 4 is equal to, what is the value of 2 power 4? Yes, right. 16 is equal to x plus 1 whole cube. Now to eliminate the cube of this linear, to eliminate the power of this function, now we apply cube root on both sides. So cube root 16 is equal to cube root x plus 1 whole cube. Cube root and here cube is cancelled. What is the cube root of 16? There is no value for cube root of 16. That's why here we write cube root 16 is equal to x plus 1. So cube root 16 is equal to x plus 1. From that, here we write cube root 16 is equal to x plus 1. From that we write x value. X is equal to cube root 16. Here plus 1 taken it to this side, minus 1. This is the solution of the given problem. Now coming to the second problem here. Solve log x plus log of x plus 1 is equal to log 12. So to solve this logarithmic equation, we depend upon logarithmic identities. Already we know. Here starting the solution here. So the given equation, the given left side of the value of the given equation is in the form log a plus log b form. This is assume this is a and this is b. So log a plus log b. What is the log a plus log b? Log of ab. So that's why here we write log of a b means x plus 1 with any base, no problem, is equal to log 12. So what is the formula you have to use? Log ab with any base is equal to log a plus log b. So from that, take off log on both sides. So then the remaining value is x of x plus 1 is equal to 12. From that, multiply with x throughout x plus 1. So x into x, x square plus x is equal to 12. Here x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is clearly quadratic equation. So to solve the quadratic equation, we depend upon factorization. All of you know. So here this is x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0 by using factorization. So 4 comma 3 are the roots of the 12. So that's we write here x of x plus 4 minus 3 of x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 4. What is the solution of among these two? Here x value is 3 and x value is minus 4. For what values logarithmic function defined? Only positive values logarithms are defined. That's why x is equal to minus 4 is not a solution for this given logarithmic equation. So we considered x is equal to 3 is a solution of the given logarithmic equation. Coming to next problem. If ln x by b minus c means log x. Ln x means this is the base with e. Okay. So ln x by b minus c is equal to ln y by c minus a is equal to ln z by a minus b. Then find the value of this. So coming to the solution here. Given ln x by b minus c is equal to ln y by c minus a is equal to ln z by a minus b is equal to some constant k, assume. So from that, ln x is equal to b minus c into k, ln y is equal to c minus a into k, ln z is equal to a minus b into k. So ln x by b minus c is equal to k means ln x value is taken denominator to this side. That's why b minus c into k, like this the remaining two. So next value, here we write the given logarithmic function into exponential form. Already we know how we are going to write the given logarithmic function into exponential form by using the formula Here the base is clearly e. Okay. So means this is natural logarithm. So how we are going to write the given logarithmic function into exponential form means base, here base can be transformed into the base of the right side value. So here we write, then we have only x is equal to e power b minus c of k. Here also y is equal to e power c minus a of k, and z is equal to e power a minus b of k. This is the exponential form of the given of the above step of. So that implies, now what is the formula here we use? By using log x base e is equal to y, implies exponential form is x is equal to e power y by using this formula. Now x power b plus c, now our finding value x power b plus c into y power c plus a into z power a plus b is equal to, so here the x value is, what is x value here? E power b minus c of k, y value is this, and z value is this. Substitute these values. E power k into b minus c into b plus c, e power k into c minus a into c plus k, and z value is e power k into a minus b into a plus b. Now from that, e power k into b minus c into b plus c, a minus b into a plus b form. So a square minus b square, that's why b square minus c square into e power k into same c minus a into c plus a means a minus b into a plus b form, c square minus a square into e power k into a square minus b square. So all bases are equal, then we are going to add exponents. So e power, so k into, or with k also, kb square minus kc square plus kc square minus ka square plus ka square minus kb square plus kb square minus kb square minus kc square plus kc square minus ka square plus ka square, both all are cancelled. Here the remaining value is e power, there is no value there, so e power 0 is equal to, what is the e power 0? Exponential value. Anything, any power 0 is equal to 1, we know. So solution of this problem is 1. Like as problem number 3, problem number 4 can be solved like that. If ln x is by b minus c is equal to ln y by c minus c is equal to ln z by a minus b, then find the value of x power a into y power b into z power c. This is the homework problem. Homework. All of you try it as problem number 3. You get the answer. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.